Welcome back, friends. Madara laughing. Madara 2 weeks in a row. What? What's happening? Is that okay? Are we angry about that or happy? Well, you know who wouldn't care? Madara. So let's channel that aura that he's got. He loves a battle. The landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pause. If I go too fast, which sometimes I do, and I apologize, people, but hit that pause button. So, one eye closed, one eye open, with the Rinnegan kind of looking up to heaven, even like rolling his eye back in the back of his head. Awkward head position, tilted backwards, okay? So proportions are all over the place, like the top half of his head, because it's going away from, say, the camera or the viewer, it gets real small. But we can do it. Let's go. So center point here, go up over to the right. Closed eye, so it's kind of just like curved over. Right? And you want to thicken it up. Like you want to make it a bit darker. A bit heavier. More like eyelashes. Right? Am I recording? Yes. God, I had a panic attack there. I thought I wasn't recording. Anyway, I am, so that's okay. Inside the lines of his nose, sort of there. Bottom eyelid. Like that. Top eyelid line. Like so. Then we got his eyebrow. So frowning, sort of maniacal laugh. And then thicker at the front. And there's like some wrinkles just on his nose, sort of. So his other eye is open, right? And they don't put a lot of detail in the open eye, like in terms of eyelashes and stuff. And you're about eye width. Naruto in the anime is in proportion. So this eye width is how far over you want to go, like the whole width of his eyelashes there. And that's where the next one starts, right? So we're going to go up, and we're going to curve over and down. And I might add a bit more detail to this. So like the eyelash sort of lines there. And just make it a bit thicker. And then the bottom eyelid line kind of curves over. It's like up and down. It goes into the tear duct area. And then the Rinnegan, which is hard enough to draw at the best of times, and it's even harder when you can't see any of it. So I think we're going to go like maybe here for the center. Okay, so it looks pretty crazy, and then this curves around. And then we go again. And we're going to do one more, because there should be one more. Okay. And then we'll go eyebrow. Arched. Up and down. Sorry if you can hear a baby, but that's my daughter screeching. And then eyebrow there, same as the other side pretty much. And there's a bit of an eyelid line, sort of, you can see like that. And then more on the bottom. Like so. So that's his eyes. That's the best I can do anyway. Nostrils. We're kind of looking up his nose. So they're like these arched V's. Like that. Isn't he resurrected? Why isn't there any cracks? Is he resurrected? Oh no, maybe he's not. I can't remember now. I need to watch this again. It's been so many years. Yeah, no cracks. Okay. So, big mouth. Big mouth Madara. Curving over. Looks like Grumpy Cat at first. But then we open it up. Right? And then teeth. So first, you have the sort of top teeth line. It's kind of pretty straight. But then we got the molars at the back. Curve around like this. And they kind of disappear up into the back of the mouth. It's all black in there. You can't see anything really. All right, and then bottom teeth. There. And then the tongue. They just do a simple round tongue line. Like so. Bottom lip. There. And now his chin is not drawn in. Okay, it's because like we're looking at sort of the bottom underneath of his jaw, right? So what they do is they just do a curved line sort of on this side. Right? So it's kind of like his cheek sort of joins his neck, and this one curves down there as well. And this one will go a bit sort of higher up underneath his hair. Goes up that way. So, like you can see in the earlobe here, and then here, maybe a full ear here, nearly. And then a big, strong, muscular sort of neck coming down this way. With neck muscles complete, now complete with neck muscles. It's like hatching just there. So, okay, so let's go this way first. Okay, and then very long hair spikes. There first. And then one on its lonesome, sticking out here. And then we're going to go down this way. Another one. So where does that go? It joins nearly the top of his head. right? And he's kind of like a pineapple, kind of. So he's got like spikes that stick out like this on top, like a pineapple. Then you get real long. So like we'll go so these like go even down behind his back, right? So we'll go like, and this one gets real long down here. Oh, I tore my page. Right, I'm gonna go right, real long hair down behind his back. So I'm gonna actually draw in some like blood, right, just coming out of his mouth, and it's on his forehead as well. And then he's got like dirt and scratches and stuff all over the face. Some ear lines. Okay. And there's trapezius. So like his back, sort of where his back and his neck join together. And then his chest collarbone area here. And we've got Hashirama's cells. So another head to draw. Chest muscle first in there. Chest muscle here. And then they just draw sort of a diaphragm, not really abs. And his ribs and stuff. And then on this side we can see shoulder and tricep. Right, so we got like a head in here. So simple enough, eyes closed. Just carving around like this first. For like the top of the skull. And then this will go down. Like that. Kind of looks like a balloon or something. And then we have eyes inside here. So closed eyes. And like some eyelids. And then the nostrils again, similar to Madara's. And a closed mouth with a bottom lip. So, extremely weird looking. But he's got those black shapes around the eye. One like that. Same on the other side. And then bullseye. And shoulder, tricep. And we can see some chest muscle here. And Madara's sort of rib cage area. Like that, and more like scratches, and he actually has like wounds, like holes down here, sort of, with some blood dripping down them. But he's still super happy. Any more hair spikes? Did I miss any of them? No, I think we're good. Uchiha Madara loves to battle. Enjoys a good war. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.